Are you looking for the best screw gun in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best screw gun that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER Li 2000 3.6-volt 3-position screw gun. The budget BLACK+DECKER Li 2000 is perfect for lightweight projects like putting together toys or screwing in wall plates. It is accompanied by 2 bits in the package to help you get started, but you will need to buy additional sizes and shapes to get a wider array of jobs done. One downside is that there is no storage case. This model comes with a wall charger, but unfortunately, there is no charge indicator on the drill itself. Also, it takes a while to get used to the power switch being on top and not underneath like a trigger. Granted, this model doesn't have much torque or power. That's why it has a lock setting for breaking loose and snugging up the screws by hand. In fact, it's possible to adjust the handle into 3 different positions. The very big advantage here is speed and continuity. You don't need to reposition your hand every quarter turn, possibly losing contact with the head and dropping the screw. You won't be able to build a house with the Li 2000, but for odd DIY jobs around the home, it's a handy and reliable tool. Our guide to the best hammer drills offers more great products like this, so check it out. Up next in the 4th place is the Milwaukee 2401-20M12 cordless hex screwdriver. These 12-volt Milwaukee tools are known for their compact size and quality. This particular model has been around for a while. Now, it was first released in 2013. It is solidly constructed, although maybe a little heavy. It has plenty of torque to drive and undrive screws. The clutch is effective and has a wide adjustment range. The nylon carry case is well made and a nice addition. Oftentimes this type of accessory is flimsy at best, so this level of attention to detail helps Milwaukee to stand out. Some screw guns have powerful brushless motors suitable for heavier duty jobs. Others are more about precision. This Milwaukee screw gun falls somewhere in the middle and strikes the perfect balance for light to medium duty jobs. The light on the front is a powerful feature that really helps to illuminate the work area. Adjusting torque settings is easy and precise. Charging the M12 batteries takes between 25 and 40 minutes. Some customers have cautioned that the venting for the charger needs a redesign, since it is easy for dust to get into the interior of the case. You may also like to check out our screwdriver sets review for more products like this. The 3rd product on our list is the WORX WX254 LSD semi-automatic power screwdriver. The WX254 LSD power screwdriver operates on a 4-volt lithium-ion battery that will keep its charge for an incredible 18 months. That means it's possible to eliminate any delays in starting a project. Because of dead batteries, you can pick up the SD after several months in storage and immediately tackle your project with confidence, knowing that it's ready to go. The WORX is hefty enough. It has some weight to it and doesn't feel cheap. It has a charging light that shows red when charging and green when finished. It has forward and reverses gearing. All the controls are simple to use. A clever design feature is the chambered bits, which gives you 6 quick change options without having to loosen or tighten the chuck and search awkwardly for bits. Unfortunately, even this model has its drawbacks. Firstly, the handle may be a little small for some. The drill as a whole is small and certainly not a job site tool. Charging is conducted by a plug-in on both sides. This apparently means that the battery is not removable. The WORX tends to run hot with heavier jobs. It's ideal for installing IKEA furniture, as it won't strip any threads and holds enough rounds to complete the task. Our handy guide to the best hammers features more great products like this. Second on our list is the Bosch PS212 12V Max 2-speed pocket driver kit. Bosch PS212 driver kit offers twice the torque of its rivals, up to 265 inch-pounds to be exact, making it fierce enough for the most challenging jobs. It's a small, practical size. A variety of speed options and clutch settings allow for precise drilling and driving in wood and soft to medium-bodied metal. Furthermore, the low-profile design makes it ideal for work in tight spaces. A soft grip adds comfort and control. A variable speed trigger helps you ease into the desired speed, making slow starts under varied loads child's play. The 12-volt battery provides more than enough power for around-the-house projects and recharges in under 30 minutes. The spring-loaded bit chuck holds bits firmly in place and does not cause driver bits to wobble. However, you can expect a minor wobble when using hex drill bits. Some reviewers have complained of a slow ramp-up when the trigger is pulled. DIers may prefer a toggle forward-reverse trigger rather than a separate directional control switch. Above all, the Bosch is very good value and powerful for its size. If you are a passionate handyman, check out our torque screwdrivers review for more great tools. Finally, the top product on our list is the Makita XSF03Z 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Drywall Screwdriver. Makita XSF03Z Drywall Screwdriver has a motor that eliminates carbon brushes, enabling it to run cooler and more efficiently for up to 50% longer runtime per battery charge. The model is also designed to enable a quieter work environment. It's built for added durability with Extreme Protection Technology XPT, which is engineered for improved dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. It is ideal for putting up sheetrock and metal framing or installing backer board, subfloors, and decking. The extremely quiet and accurate push-to-screw mechanism has totally changed the game as far as driving screws. With a 4 amp-hour battery, it is undeniably heavier than the popular FS4200, but without cords. Losing the cord makes a huge difference when hanging drywall. Contractors have noted that the clutch and spindle are highly robust, and that they show less wear than a brand new corded gun after the same amount of work. The biggest problem is the weight. It is very heavy and really can't be hung on your pants pocket. The magnet at the bit end could also be a little stronger. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.